A Python variable is a name that refers to an object in memory. An object is a piece of data that has some attributes and methods. For example, a string object has the attributes length and upper, and the method replace. To create a variable in Python, you just assign it a value using the equals operator. For example, name equals Alice. Name is a variable that refers to a string object. Age equals 25 # age is a variable that refers to an integer object. You can use variables in expressions, statements, and functions. For example, print name plus is plus street, age plus years old. Print Sijaz Anad is 19 years old. X equals 10x is a variable that refers to an integer object. Y equals x plus 5y is a variable that refers to another integer object. Print y prints 15. Python variables are not limited by their data types. You can assign any value to any variable at any time. For example, pi equals 3.14 pi is a variable that refers to a float object. Pi equals 3.14 inches. Pi is now a string object. Print pi prints 3.14. You can also change the type of a variable by assigning it another value of the same or different type. For example, x equals 5x is an integer object. X equals 5, x is now a string object. Print type x prints class street. You can get the type of any variable by using the type function. For example, type name, type age, type pi.